Hi everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make these really fun emoticon bracelets. This craft involves cutting a piece of paper in a way that creates a band for your wrist. We'll create the little character separately, and when you move the character across the bracelet, you can change the expression on its face. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you need for this craft include paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and coloring tools, such as colored pencils, markers, or pens. The first thing we want to do is prep our paper. Let's start with the band. Use your ruler to draw a straight line down the length of your paper. Cut it out. Then, wrap the strip of paper around your wrist and cut off any excess. Then, we'll set the strip of paper aside to create our character. Start off by drawing a head and any other features, like ears. Don't worry about drawing a face. Here, I'm drawing a bunny. Now, you can use any coloring tools to decorate your little character. Here, I'm using a black pen to outline my pencil drawing. Then, I took a pink pen and started drawing details in the ears. Once you're done with the coloring part, use your scissors to cut out your character. As I cut around the character, I'm leaving a white outline. Next, take your pencil and place your character on your strip of paper. Draw 2 vertical lines on the little character. You have to make sure the lines are slightly bigger than the width of your piece of paper. Then, you can go ahead and take your scissors and cut a slit on these lines. It might get a bit tricky, so you can always ask someone to help you. Next, we're going to want to put our character on our strip of paper. We'll do that by weaving the paper through the slits we just made. When you weave the strip of paper through the character, it should go under, over, under. And if you've cut your slits big enough, you should be able to glide it smoothly on the paper like this. Next, we're going to use our coloring tools and draw emoticons on the wristband. The first expression I'm making is the heart face. To create the next expression on your wristband, slide your little character to the side of the face you just finished, and you can start a new one. Now I'm making something similar to the laughing, crying face. Next, I made a winky face. And lastly, I also made a pouty face. Now, as you can see, when I move the character's head across the band, it changes its expression. Now we're almost done. We just have to attach the ends of the bracelet together. First, just measure how big you'd like the bracelet to be. I'm just using my fingers as a rough measurement. Then I'm taking my pencil and marking a vertical line about halfway down my bracelet. The first line I drew was from the top to the center. The second line was from the bottom to the center. Then just go ahead and take your scissors and cut along these lines. Then when you're securing it on your wrist, just tuck the ends together like so. It should fit perfectly. Plus, it's great if you don't have any tape or glue around. It's a bit of a struggle putting the bracelet on yourself, so you can always ask someone for help. Once you do, you can just move the character around to change its expression. You can really venture out with your creativity when making these bracelets. Try taking inspiration from your favorite movies or cartoons, or even using a different colored paper. Alright, so that's all for today's video. I hope you have fun making today's craft, and thank you for watching. Bye!